Hey, welcome to another Gourmet Fishing Info Short. I'm your host, David Murray, and on today's little short, we are going to create a couple of ice-cold adult beverages. They're going to be two totally different flavors, but they all start with the same base Tropical Elixir. So, before we can get our Tropical Elixir and our drinks out to our planetary population, we do have to take a little bit of time and take care of a little bit of business. So, tell you what, why don't we go ahead and get started, and, well, let's roll the open. Well, welcome back from our neat little open, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you click that little notification bell. That will let you know when we upload anything new to the channel. Now, today we're doing something a little different. We're going to create a couple of ice cold drinks. We're going to create a Goombay Smash, which hails from New Plymouth down in Green Turtle Key in the Abacos of the Bahamas. You can find that at the Blue Bee Bar down there, and it was created by Miss Emily, and I tell you what, those are some of the best Goombays that you'll ever find, and of course the recipe is secret, so we've had to try to deconstruct and then reconstruct, and I think we've done a pretty good job with that. And then our second drink is going to be, well, the famous Pina Colada. Now, who knows where that was originated, but anyway, we got our own take on that also. But what the two drinks have in common is our Tropical Elixir, which has a bunch of rums, and we finish it off with a little bit of apricot brandy. So I tell you what, why don't we go ahead and take a look at our, I guess it's going to be our grocery list. Well, some places, some grocery stores do sell alcohol, but not where I am. So we're going to need to get some coconut rum, some spice rum, some 151 rum, some dark rum, white rum, pineapple rum. Now you see a little bit of a pattern here, but we're going to finish it off with some apricot brandy. So let us, well, before we get to actually creating, the recipe calls for parts, like 4 parts of coconut rum. We've got 2 parts of spice rum. Those parts can be any type of measurement. It could be a gallon, it could be a teaspoon, a tablespoon. I'm using a 1/4 cup is going to be my parts, because when I'm done with this, we're going to put it into a dead soldier, and we're going to have our own little batch of Tropical Elixir, so we don't have to mix it up every time we make a drink. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take 4 parts of coconut rum, just like so. Oh yes, look at that. Oh yeah. And again, it doesn't have to be 100% a true part, if you know what I mean. Now we've got 2 parts of our spice rum, just like so. Oh yeah. And then we're going to finish it up with the rest as just 1 part of each. Here's 151 rum. And I'm going to come in here with some dark rum, just like that. Oh yeah. And we've got some white rum, same thing, another single part. And we've got some pineapple rum, again, another single part, just like so. And we're going to finish it off with some apricot brandy. There we are. That's it. That is our Tropical Elixir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, we're going to take a funnel. Got to have a funnel. Don't want to spill anything. Just like so. And we're going to, well, you know what? I'm going to put it right here. Transfer that to our new Tropical Elixir bottle. Nothing magical about this. Here we go. Yep. Now, is it going to fit? Get some air in there. Just about. Oh, how about that? How about that? It's kind of why I use the quarter cup part mixer, because when you make a full batch of it, it fills up one of these. So now we're going to get into making our first drink, the Goombay Smash. So let me grab some ice and a glass. Hold on. Magically, we have our glass of ice. Now, this is going to be up to you on how strong you like to make your drinks. I like mine kind of there. When you notice it when you take a sip. So I'm going to come in with about half and half. Okay, don't give me too hard of a time. And we're going to get some. Whoa, that is not carbonated, but we're going to come in here just like so with some pineapple juice. We're going to grab us a sacrificial cup. 1 and 2, just like so. And we're going to come in with a little decoration if you want it. You don't have to have it. Just like so. How about that? There is our Goombay Smash. How about that? Simple, easy, and delicious. So, tell you what, we're going to move this one out of the way for a second, and now where am I going to put this? Here, we'll put it right here. So, yep, you can still see it. Okay, now we're going to get into making our Pina Colada. Yes. So, let's see. Here, we're going to move the Ninja Blender over here. Okay. Now, readjust the ingredients for our Pina Colada. And you know what? I forgot to add pineapple juice and cream of coconut to our grocery list. Now there are 2 types of cream of coconut. There's this one here, which is Coca Lopez, and then here's real. Now I like this one because it's a squeeze bottle and makes it a little easier to get it into our mixing cup, and also to store it. Now, our recipe for our Pina Colada, there it is I had to make sure I got the ounces correct, is I'm going to do 3 ounces of cream of coconut, 3 ounces of our Tropical Elixir, and just under 3 ounces of our pineapple juice. So, again, we're not looking for exact measurements. That's close enough. I'm not going to worry too much about that. Now we're going to come in here with our 3 ounces of our Tropical Elixir. And then we're going to come in with just over a couple of ounces of pineapple juice. So I am right out just over the 8-ounce mark on my measuring cup. Now I do like to mix everything up together and get it into, just a nice coconutty mixture. Now we're going to add this to our blender. Get all the good out of there you can. Don't want to waste anything. Now I'm going to come in with some ice, like so. So we probably will need a little bit more, but we will check this out and see how it works. You can always add. Sometimes it's hard to take out. Time for some noise. Let's see what we have here. Got a seal under that. There it is. Let's see. I can't see up there. Good Lord. Oh yeah. You know what? I think I take that back. I'm going to add just a little bit more ice in here. Just like so. Another couple of handfuls. Make another mess. Pulse one more time. Now we're ready to place it in a nice tall glass. It's gonna be good. Gonna be good. I tell you what, these are very, very delicious. And I'm gonna take this out. Drop this here. Check this guy out. Oh yeah. I'm gonna move that out the way. Check that out. Oh goodness, again, we're gonna come in here with a little bit of a garnish. There we are. That's our, can't see me, that's our Pina Colada, and here is our Goombay smash, all made from our Tropical Elixir of a bunch of rums and just a little bit of apricot brandy. So, I tell you what, I hope y'all give this a shot. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that notification bell so you know when we upload anything new to our channel. And if you like the video, please give the little thumbs up, click down below, and please, as usual, comments are welcome. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And of course, our Instagram handle has 2 T's in Gourmet, just one of those things. And down below in the description, we do have a downloadable recipe for our adult beverages. So until next time, God bless, and we'll see you then. And of course, we got we got the guy next door with his riding lawnmower, so I guess we're gonna have to wait and do a little bit of an edit here. I swear I thought he was done. It's amazing. Great.